Here I have Vivo V11 and let me show you how to enable your portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's find and select settings. From the list of settings, you need to find and select personal hotspot. Here you can activate the hotspot just by clicking that key. To activate the hotspot, here you can choose the data limit. Let me use, for example, unlimited. You can also here use the hotspot configuration. So here you can change the network name, security type and the password. You must know that the password must contain at least 8 characters, so if you change something, tap done. If not, you can choose cancel. Here you can also set up the data limit, and you can here also use number of connection allowed. Alright, that's it. Here you can use some sharing method, for example the Bluetooth method. Alright, if you would like to disable this mode, let's use the same switcher, and that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.